Today, we will be putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub, and now a lid. We need a sticker for the top of the lid, and it will be the letter T. This is an uppercase T, and this is a lowercase t. Next, we need a sticker for the tub. Once again, it's an uppercase T and a lowercase t. Now we need a sticker for the inside of the lid. It has an uppercase T and a lowercase t. Now let's find everything that's going to go in the tub that starts with the letter T. First, let's find the uppercase T. Next, let's find the lowercase t. Now let's find things that start with the letter T, like tomato. A tomato can go on a sandwich. Next, we need to find a towel. You can dry your hands off on a towel. Next is a turkey. A turkey is a type of bird. Next, we need to find some teeth. There's some teeth. You can see your teeth when you smile. Next, we need a turtle. This one is a sea turtle. And last, a tiger. Rawr! Let's put the things in the bucket. First, we will put the uppercase T in the bucket. Next, we will put the lowercase t in the bucket. Now, let's put the tomato. And now the towel. Now the turkey. Now the teeth. The turtle. And last is the tiger. We can put the lid on this one. It is all done. These were things that started with the letter T. After the letter T is the letter U. See you next time.